commemorates the launch of an ambitious and critical public health project. Ambitious because it aims to improve the ownership and usage of long-lasting insecticide-treated mosquito nets in Okavango, from current low levels to a very high percentage of the entire population, not just children and pregnant women. This is critical because such universal coverage of the population with long-lasting insecticide-treated mosquito nets is one of the most effective tools we have to reduce and eventually eliminate the burden of malaria from Okavango. And if it works here, we hope it will work in other malaria endemic districts of Botswana. Indeed, as it says on the t-shirts you see today, we hope that this project may contribute to a malaria-free Botswana in the not-so-distant future. Botswana. It is a test to see if this sort of program will work in Botswana. If it does, we hope that Botswana leaders and policymakers will commit themselves to ensuring that all people living in malaria districts have access to these life-saving nets. In order to meet this ambitious goal, to reach the population of Okavango, this project requires strong financial support. We looked around for help, and it came from an organization who passionately believes in providing free nets to all people at risk of malaria. That organization is called Malaria No More. Malaria No More is a non-profit, non-governmental organization based in the United States. It was established in December 2006 by two respected business leaders, News Corporation President and Chief Operations Officer Peter Chapman, and Wall Street pioneer Ray Chambers, who had a simple, startling insight. Ending malaria's death grip on Africa is the best humanitarian investment we can make in the world today. Nothing else can have the same impact on as many people's lives and livelihoods as quickly or cheaply. Peter Chapman and Ray Chambers believe these nets are one of the most effective tools available to prevent malaria deaths. But they realize that throughout Africa, we need to dramatically scale up efforts to deliver these nets to the people that need them most. When Malaria No More learned that the government of Botswana had designed this pilot program for Okavango, they quickly offered their assistance. I have here a letter from Malaria No More, which reads in part, based on the experience of our organization and other international organizations and ministries of health in numerous other countries, we strongly believe that the quickest and most effective way to achieve high net coverage is via a massive door-to-door distribution of free nets. We therefore wish to provide assistance to your malaria programs project in the Okavango sub-district. Malaria No More is pleased to offer the Republic of Botswana a donation of 32,000 Interceptor brand rectangular nets and to pay for the shipment of these nets to the Okavango sub-district. This donation is intended for the nets to be distributed free of charge, door-to-door, to provide universal coverage to all Okavango residents. Thank you for your leadership on this important issue, and we look forward to working further with you to end malaria in Botswana and all of Africa. Okay, so on behalf of President Barack Obama and Secretary of State Hillary Clinton and the American Ambassador to Botswana, Stephen Nolan, I would like to express our gratitude in the work of Malaria No More. We are so very pleased to see that American citizens have taken such a strong interest in improving the livelihoods of our brothers and sisters in Botswana and throughout Africa. The embassy was only too happy to assist in arranging the importations of these nets into Botswana. The theme of this past year's SADC Malaria Day is United Against Malaria. However, this motto doesn't just apply to Southern African governments only, but any government wishing to support this initiative. Therefore, the American people are also united with you in this fight, as evidenced by the contribution of Malaria No More and the Clinton Foundation. I want to express a special thank you to UNICEF for their contribution. In fact, UNICEF's support for this project shows the whole world is united with you in working towards a malaria-free Botswana. Can we achieve it? Well, in the words of our new president, yes we can. Back later, unfortunately, Malaria No More was unable to send someone to attend today's event. However, I am proud to be here representing the U.S. Embassy today, representing my fellow Americans, and to formally hand over these nets to the Okavango sub-district for use in this ambitious and critical project. Thank you very much. Kialboka, Pula.